What's up guys, I'm Sean. It's time to change the door panels on my E46 M3 track car from this to this. I'm going with the Hard Motorsport lightweight door panel kit. I'm replacing my lightweight door panel. This is Tap's plastic piece. It's like $10 or less, and I just trimmed it to fit. And on the E46 M3, it's easy to do because it's a flat door. So this is lightweight, but I just don't like the fit and finish. So going with the Hard Motorsport door panel, it's going to look a little bit cleaner. So I'm really doing it for looks more than anything. I didn't go with the Hard Motorsport door latch pull, so you have to poach the one from your factory. The door kit does come with the door pull that I'm going to install later. And the door panel doesn't come with a hole on the top, so you're going to have to drill a hole so then the lock mechanism can come out. I'm holding the door panel up roughly where it's going to be. Then I'm going to measure so I could drill a small hole for that. I note that the door panel shouldn't be sitting on the metal of the door, because if you do that, it won't close. It jams up right there. So it has to sit on top of this window trim gasket, so it actually has to sit higher. Can't do it. Here it goes. It has to sit higher like that, and then the door will be able to close. So mounting it up is really custom and up to you. The kit comes with these mounting tabs and these rivets, but I don't want to make this a permanent solution. So I'm going to come up with a creative way to mount it with some screws, so therefore I can remove it when I want to. I just drilled holes into the area where it's already indented on the door panel, and I drilled holes into my door because this is a track car, so drilling holes is no big deal. And now I'm going to install the latch, and it came with hardware, Allen key with a 10 nut, and it goes right here. Alright, the passenger side is done. Looks good from afar, but far from good. It's a race car part, so it's not going to be OEM quality and fit and finish, but overall it looks pretty good. Now I just have to do the other side.